welcome back to our channel. Tonight we're here in the city of Laguna Niguel for the Laguna Niguel Haunted Trails. They're back with another terror trail that's going on for 4 terrifying nights that are sure to haunt your dreams. Their undead monsters are eagerly awaiting our arrival and we don't want to make them wait. So come along with us on this episode of The Walker Chronicles.
The Laguna Niguel Haunted Trails runs from 6:30 to 10 p.m. starting October 21st through October 25th. The cost is $40 per group, which allows up to 8 guests. Reservations are required to attend, and we'll link all the details in the description box below.
Those of you with light or sound sensitivity, lung, heart, or serious health conditions should proceed with caution.
My name's Bubbles! You smell pretty good, Missy! I might take a bite out of you! Enjoy your stay!
Well, thank you.
Welcome to Joker's Funhouse! You can check out, but you can never leave. Can I get a hand? Oh, nice! Beautiful. Gracious!
think somebody's coming.
Let's keep going. That's awesome. Got him.
Look at his
Who is that in the shadows? That person's following us. Is there still Yes. Uh-oh.
He's still coming.
I can't see anything. Whoa! Oh, it's Jason too! Come on! Brenda! Brenda, look behind you! That was awesome. Thanks.
I am literally shaking.
She was chased by the Chainsaw Massacre people.
Oh my god. And it was a little a ways, and next thing I know, I feel like it's on my neck. Oh my god. My heart is like beating out of my chest. This was great. Oh my god. Oh.
All right, so we just finished up at the Haunted Trails here in Laguna Niguel, and I have to say this may be my favorite one so far. This was spectacular.
For me, this was the scariest one by far. HHN, Not Scary Farm, it's got nothing on the scares on this, at least for me, and that was all due to the chainsaw.
Not only do they have a chainsaw, but when they're coming at you with the chainsaw, Jason from Friday the 13th decides to come on in and join you, and then about 5 or 6 other people come in to chase you, they really get you going here.
Yeah. I never saw those guys because I had my hands over my eyes and my eyes shut under that, and I had Chris by the hand and was pulling him through. So this one was this one was scary.
Right, now this is obviously not a home haunt. This is put on by the city, so a lot more dollars were spent on it, but they did a really, really good job. The actors are fantastic, the sets are fantastic, they have animatronics, the people. It really is a top-notch Halloween event.
I'm still trying to catch my breath through all of this, but we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure that you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And until next time, we will see you on the next episode of
The Walker Chronicles. Unless Marina quits after this one.